welcome back to Kitchen of Flavors. Today I am going to show you how to make chocolate spirals. So here I have my puff pastry. I have 2 sheets. I am going to now make layer some chocolate on it. Make sure to use a very even coat of chocolate. There shouldn't be too much on one side and less on the other. So as you can see, I'm layering out the chocolate evenly. I'm trying to make sure it's even and not too much on one side. And we're gonna do the same till it covers up the whole pastry. I have already layered the pastry with chocolate. Now I'm going to put the second pastry sheet on top of it. Make sure to cover it till the sides. Now I'm just going to press the ends a bit so that they can hold on to each other. Make sure to press it properly because if they open up, it might cause a problem for you. Okay, once we are done, we are going to cut them. So I'm going to start cutting them. Make sure you're using a sharp knife so it doesn't affect the stripes. We are going to keep cutting them like this till the end of the pastry sheet. Make sure you don't put a lot of chocolate inside, otherwise it will leak out. So use a minimum amount. And make sure you're cutting them straight stripes instead of cutting them the other way. Otherwise they'll come out very small and we don't want that. So I'm going to keep cutting. So as you can see, I have cut them into very thin stripes. Not very thin actually, they're just medium size. Now I'm going to spiral them. Just turn them from both ends till they become spiralish. Make sure to handle them very carefully because they're very fragile. They can turn up the other way as well. So this is how they're supposed to be. Now you have to turn them slowly. Make sure not to press them too much. Just keep turning them very lightly. Like this till they become the shape of a flower. And this is what you have to do with the rest of them as well. Just follow the same procedure. Here I have a baking sheet that's greased with some oil so that they don't catch down and burn. So you keep making the same spiral flowers and put them on the baking sheet, then this will go in the oven and bake. So I have made the chocolate spirals ready. As you can see, I've shaped them into flowers. I've coated this with some egg wash and now I'm going to bake them at 180 degrees for 15 minutes in the oven. So these are in the oven at a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. So my chocolate spirals are ready, as you can see. If you want to make them a bit crunchy like this, it's okay. If you want them soft, you can make them like this. This is how they look inside. See, they have a bit of chocolate and the spirally. You can see the layers in them as well. See? So I hope you try this chocolate spirals. If you do and you enjoy them, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also let me know in the comments down below, and please do make sure to subscribe.